Good morning, this is Miss G, and we are going to be continuing our exploration of multiple representations, and this might be one of the more difficult legs of our triangle here between graphs, tables, and equations, but I know after this video you're going to totally understand and be total mathematician rock stars. Okay, maybe not, but we'll be closer. Okay. So this time we're going to be making graphs from equations. So we're going from equations to a graph. Let's check it out. Now I've been given this equation and they're asking me to find what the graph looks like. Well, I could make a table first and then graph my points, but I think there's a faster way. So here are my 6 foolproof steps in order to graph from an equation in slope-intercept form directly. All right, so step 1, put the line in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. I do have that. All right, just to label, that's my m and that's my b. Step 2, identify b and plot it on the y-axis. We need to be aware of whether it's a positive or a negative number. Okay, so here I have b is equal to 1. So I'm going to plot that on my y-axis. Step 3, put m, my slope, into fraction form. If it's a whole number, all I have to do is put it over 1, and now I have a fraction. Luckily, this one's already in a fraction. It's 1/9. So that being said, I have a rise of 1 and a run of 9. Because remember, slope is rise over run. So let's see what that looks like. With step number 4, I'm going to begin at my y-intercept and count up or down based on whether my upper number in my fraction, my numerator, is positive or negative. And I'm going to go the number of units that is indicated. Okay, so in this one, I have positive 1 on top, so I'm going to go up 1. I'm going to begin at my y-intercept. Here I go, up 1. All right, and I'm going to next, step 5, go right the number of units in the denominator. Well, my denominator, my bottom number is 9. So I'm going to go to the right 9 steps. And step 6 is to place my point and connect the 2 points with a line. I have placed my point, and now I can connect my 2 points with a line. I know it's a lot of steps. 6 steps is quite a bit, but it goes pretty fast. And especially once we really get it. Let's look at another one. Here I have the equation y equals 1/3 x plus 7. Step 1 is to put it in slope-intercept form, and it is. Step 2, identify b and plot it on the y-axis. Here is my b. I'm going to plot it on my y-axis. Okay. Step 3 is to put m, my slope, into fraction form. I'm already in fraction form, so I'm good to go. Step 4, begin at the y-intercept and count up or down the number of units in the numerator of the slope. My numerator is +1, so I'm going to go up 1 unit. Okay. I meant to do that in blue. Okay. Step 5, go to the right the number of units in the denominator. My denominator is 3, so I'm going to go to the right 3 units. And step 6, place your points and connect the 2 points with a line. Honestly, this is my favorite part. I like using the ruler. And there's my line. Okay. Let's look at one more. Step 1, put the line in y equals mx plus b form. Perfect. I am in y equals mx plus b form. Woohoo! Step 2, identify b and plot it on the y-axis. Here is my b value, and I'm going to plot it on my y-axis right there. +10 on the 10. Step 3, put the m into fraction form. I am in fraction form here with -1/3. Step 4, beginning at the y-intercept, count up or down the number of units in the numerator of the slope. I'm going to say that my numerator is -1. There's 2 ways to write that. -1 over +3 or 1 over -3. I'm going to write it like that. And that allows me to know that I need to go down 1. All right. Step 5, go to the right the number of units in the denominator. So I'm going to go 3 to the right. Okay. And my favorite part, step 6, place your point and connect the 2 points with a line. I'm going to place my point right there. And I'm going to connect my 2 points with this line. All right. If you have any questions about how to do this, please come see me during my office hours. I am available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nope, not Wednesday, just kidding, Thursday and Friday after school from 1:45 to 3:29. Take care.